Hey guys, what is going on? We got some projects going on today. I've had this fixture up in my kitchen and the little plastic thing fell off and shattered about 6-7 months ago, and I don't know where to get a replacement. So I've gone to Home Depot, Lowe's, gone online, and it looks like the cheapest solution actually is to replace it with another fixture. And I found this at Home Depot. It is a Good Earth Lighting Manhattan. They had it on clearance for about 85 bucks. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Also, I got a couple fixtures in the house that I've hated since I've seen them in the house, and I've wanted to replace them. It's getting a little dark here. I'm gonna turn the light on in a second. These cheap fixtures they put in these houses. This little glow bulb, like glowing ball. I hate it. I freaking hate it. I've always hated it. So I've got some replacements for those as well. So I'm gonna take you along with me today and we'll get those swapped out, and I'll basically show you how to wire up a light and replace a fixture. Cool. All right, so the first thing I did was turn the light off. If you have a switch that's isolated, then you don't need to flip the breaker off. And I'm gonna take these LED bulbs out that I bought. Just take them out. And I'm actually going to keep this fixture and use it when for my grow lights for my spring and winter fall garden. I got a couple fixtures already, but you know, you can always use more lights. You know, the more you grow, the more you can share, help other people out. I gave a lot of tomato plants away this year from my spring garden, and so now you just got, let's see. All right, so the switch is turned off. This should not be hot. It could be, but it's only 120, it's not gonna kill me. So I've got black, green, and white. I believe black is hot, white is neutral. I'm not an electrician, so don't quote me on that. We'll go ahead and take them wire nuts off. So all you should need for this installation is the fixture, obviously, some wire nuts. I got a pack of just assorted wire nuts, whichever one works. These were red, so I'll use red, or I usually don't reuse wire nuts. So about a 4-foot ladder. I got a little step stool here that I'm able to reach, and then a voltage detector if you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't know if you've isolated it. And then probably just a Phillips head screwdriver and an insulated one if you have one. I do have one. I don't know if I need it or not. But like I said, I'll go ahead and put you on time lapse and we'll get this going. So this new fixture came with drywall anchors built into it. It's LED. I'm gonna see if they line up with the old holes. That'd be great. I mean, there's anchors up in there for those holes. I don't know if they're gonna line up or not. Let me find out. Because that would be pretty freaking sweet. But I kind of doubt it. And those holes are pretty jacked up. Where'd my screwdriver go? This is pretty cool. It came with a little ring that you mount to that, and it's got a chain that holds it up. So you can actually do this as a one-person job, actually. So we'll get this put on it, but see if it'll help us out. Let me back this up. Back that thing up. Oh, there we go. Well, that's exciting. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell my wife about this. I'm just surprising her. So hopefully she'll be happy and not upset. I can't see why she would be upset, but it's marriage. Sometimes you don't know why they're married. Well, I guess I can get the fixture in the shot. So it came with this little chain, little temporary chain. But I guess this is kind of, I guess they know idiots get into stuff like this. Oh no. Oh, thought I bent it. Yeah, we'll be alright. Yeah, like I said, they must know that idiots try to do this by themselves. So, thanks, Lowe's. Ooh. I can't recommend enough to do this with somebody else because it would probably make it, I'd probably be done already. So, I guess it keeps it from falling over anyway. I'm gonna scratch my roof up, but anyway, better than nothing. Whew. All right, so I finally got them connected. I ended up using some butt splices that I had. Butt splices, I just felt safer with them because the gauge of the wire going from the termination to the actual fixture were way too different size, and these are LEDs, so it should be fine. I'm not too worried about it. So, but now we'll go ahead and anchor it in and get this finished up. Ready to move on to the next one. All right, so got that put up. Now, just need to turn the breaker on. I guess I tripped the breaker. I don't know how, but I tripped it. So. I'll tell you what, that is much better than before. I really like that. Like I said, it was on clearance for 85 bucks, so I went from having no cover and very dim light to having a cover and a lot of light. So I'm very pleased with that, and you know, more importantly, I didn't trip the breaker off whenever it turned back on, so that's cool. So I'm very excited, and like I said, I did not tell Ashley about this, so hopefully she is happy with that. I'll clean it up and get it wiped off for her and everything, but I'm very excited about that. That turned out really nice. All right, so we got the kitchen one done. Now we're gonna get the entryway and the bathroom one, those little globes. I hate those things. So we're gonna use these Allen and Roth. These lights are really cool. I looked on Amazon, not Amazon, on Lowe's.com, and I found them, and they look really nice over here. So we're gonna get these swapped out right now. All right. It's gonna be a weird angle, sorry guys. It's like a goldfish bowl. Not a fan. Oh, stop. Stop it. Dude, go. One, two, three, and the kitchen one. Got them all installed. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's helpful when installing your own lights. Would have got some better shots if I'd had another person here with me, but I wanted to get all this done before my wife gets home so I can surprise her. And so, I mean, it was about 200 bucks for all the items. I'll leave a link down below of everything I got today, where to get it from. I got it all from Lowe's, but I'll put like the screwdriver, wire nuts, everything you need to do this. But it's a pretty, like I said, for 200 bucks, you know, it's a, I upgraded 4 lights in my entire house. So I mean, I just think it looks better. Everything's more well lit, and it just looks better than just the stock cookie cutter home that we live in. So if y'all enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see y'all next time.